Want to connect your Quest 2 to your PS5? Here's the truth and what actually works. Many players assume you can pair them directly, but it's not that simple. The PS5 does not officially support external VR headsets. That's because Sony designed PS5 VR support only for PlayStation VR. Unlike devices from Meta, the PS5 ecosystem is closed. You can still play PS5 games inside your headset using remote play. This method streams your PS5 screen into the headset. You need fast Wi-Fi for smooth streaming. You also need the PlayStation Remote Play app and a paired DualSense controller. On your PS5, go to Settings, then System. Enable Remote Play. Allow the PS5 to stay connected to the internet in rest mode. Now open the browser in your Quest headset. Log into your PlayStation account. Your PS5 screen should now stream into the headset. You'll see your game on a giant virtual screen. This is not true VR gameplay, just screen streaming. There may be slight delay depending on your Wi-Fi speed. Stay close to your router for best results. Use a 5 GHz network if possible. Close other devices using heavy bandwidth. Pair your controller to the PS5 or headset. Audio will play through your headset speakers. Adjust the headset for long sessions. A dim room helps reduce eye strain. Keep your headset charged during play. At least 25 megabits per second helps streaming quality. Using Ethernet for your PS5 improves stability. Lower remote play resolution if lag appears. Most PS5 games work since you're just streaming, but VR-only features won't activate. The PS5 only recognizes official PlayStation VR hardware. That's part of Sony's controlled ecosystem. Future updates could change this, but nothing confirmed. Connecting with USB cables won't work. Bluetooth pairing also won't connect the headset. The best use is playing games on a giant virtual screen. Great for playing without a TV. You can game privately even in shared rooms. So here's the short version. No direct connection exists. Remote play is the workaround. Fast internet gives best results. You'll play on a virtual screen, not VR mode, but it's still a fun and immersive way to play. Try different virtual screen environments for comfort. Now you know what works and what doesn't. If you want more tech guides like this, subscribe and I'll help you unlock more hidden gaming tricks.